Hey guys, how's it going? Today, with the southeast corner of my shop insulated and sheeted, I'm going to install the shelving for my long-term storage items. With my recent acquisition of 15 pallets, I'm planning on using this new free material to build the shelving. I begin by marking out the line I want to build to with a level, then I take some pallet rails over to the miter saw and cut to length. Then, since basically every other surface in my shop is currently occupied, I start building my shelf on the floor of my shop. Unfortunately, my shelf design had a bit of a flaw to it, which I have yet to remedy. Without a full beam across the front of the shelf, there is no strength in the center of the shelf, which will lead to eventual failure. Luckily, the shelf I'm currently building is on the same level as my garage door rail, so with next to no space up there, there is a lot less weight, in which case this design works fine. When I finish with that, I install it on the wall using a scrap of 2x4 to secure the fourth corner to the rafters. Then I mark out the line for the second shelf and make sure that the bins I plan to use will fit between the top and middle shelves. This is the shelf I noticed my design flaw on. Over the last few months that I've had these, it has started to sag a little bit under the weight of the bins I've stored on it. The problem is fixable, and for the third shelf I use the same design as my old lumber rack, and I have not noticed any sagging on this one. I just need to replace the front stitched beam with a solid 2x4 and there won't be an issue. It's just one of those little niggly things that I'll get to eventually. Off camera, I installed the second shelf and built and installed a third shelf. And with that, I begin to move everything over from my current shelves onto my new shelves. Since this voiceover that I'm recording right now was done several months after the shelving was done, you might be able to see what the next video will be. So if you're interested, we'll see you here next week. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you in the next video, and have a good one.